Louboutin time! One of my favorite topics to talk about. Maybe you noticed that I have many different styles of Louboutin and some of you know that. So today I will talk about my favorites, my So Kates. But before we start, let me tell you that this is not a sponsored video, unfortunately not. So yeah, though I will mention the brand Christian Louboutin just because I love to wear this style a lot. So in this video I will tell you more about where I love to buy them and what you should know when you are thinking about this style and just my history with the Louboutin. So let us switch over to the more comfortable zone. So here we go. So maybe you saw I have 3 different colors of this style, so you can tell that this is definitely my favorite. But I didn't start with the So Kates because they are pretty high. They are 12 centimeters, which is 5 inch, and I started with 10 centimeters, like 4 inch. So when I bought my first pair of Louboutins, I selected some black basic pumps, like, well, I had the Décolleté 868 and this is now the Fifi 100. So it's just 10 centimeters because I feel comfortable wearing 10 centimeters as a high. But if it should look a little bit more extreme and a little bit more special, I love to select some higher high heels. So this is the reason when I select my So Kates. Not just for pictures, also for some special evening events where I have the feeling that the 10 centimeters are more like the comfortable ones and these are the more dramatic ones. Because they are a little bit more dramatic. You can see they have a thin heel. For me, it makes it easier to walk in thin heels than in thick heels because it's much more elegant to wear thin heels. You walk much easier, except on cobblestones. But this is not what high heels are made for, walking on cobblestones. So before I will show you how these styles look at my legs and on my feet, I would love to tell you more where I buy my Louboutins. And for example, this one I bought at Net-a-Porter. That's why they have this cute black bow on it. But most of my high heels are directly bought at the store of Christian Louboutin because they have just the biggest variety of styles. But if you get a Louboutin, they all come in these brown boxes. So as you can see, I wear the size 37.5 European size in Louboutins. It just fits perfectly for me. And the first thing you see is this cute bag. And what's inside, I can quickly show you. There are just this exchange high heel things. If you lose them, maybe we can talk about cobblestones again. And then you have some information, this is a greeting card. And then they are just covered in white paper. And it looks so beautiful if you receive them, and it's always a good Christmas gift, like this one, for example, for me. So it's always something that I have on my wish list. And yeah, this is how they arrive. So what I didn't show you in the box are these cute red bags. So this is the bag that you will always find in my handbag with a pair of shoes. And sometimes there's just one bag and sometimes 2 bags. For example, if you have some items that shouldn't scratch on each other in the bags, then they offer you 2 different red bags. So this looks also very cute. So I found out that there's also a difference if you are ordering or buying your shoes in the US or in Europe. So Louboutin is a French name, so they ship from Italy, but it's a European brand. But I just bought my first Louboutins in the US because I had vacation and had time to go shopping, and for me it was a highlight of my vacation. So I have many of my Louboutins I just bought in the US. But be sure to declare your high heels when you just come back to your home state, like in Germany. You have to pay taxes on your shoes, and that's what I did always. So I had to smile because it's always funny if you just enter and you have your customs, and the women over there do not wear high heels that often, not in that price range. So at 6 o'clock in the morning, it's a fun discussion you always have. Not. So, but before I will tell you more about the Louboutins and the differences, where to buy them, I will show you the first pair. So this is the first one I would love to show you because this is the most classy one, the black one. So you can see it's a leather sole, so you can keep them red all the time, although sometimes I paint them. I have special paint. I will link that below in the information box because it's pretty easy and I will do that in spring again. I love this style because it's a pointy toe and it just looks beautiful, makes your feet look longer, your legs look longer, and it's very elegant and classy. I combine this style to so many outfits because it always fits. I just love this color combination of the black and the red bottoms, and also from inside it's just classy light brown leather and it feels so comfortable when you wear them. Not when they are fresh and new, but when you wear them for a longer time they get more and more comfortable because it's real leather. So, but let me show you how I walk in them. So let's quickly change the high heels. So they are round, so it's a complete different look. So, and this is how the style looks completely. So for me, the 12 centimeter heel is just perfect to walk in them also, but not for a very, very long time. So I think you still feel very, very comfortable, but also very elegant. So on most of my pictures you will see this high heel because I just love this style to combine with everything. But I was looking for a new color and then I saw the silver ones. So I was thinking a lot, do I need another pair of So Kates? But I checked every other style and this is the style I just feel most attracted to because they are simple but also very elegant. So this is more my style, and then I just needed to get them before they are discontinued, and I just love them because they are not just plain and simple silver, they are special. A little bit more crackled style and not just silver like a mirror, so I just feel that they need to be one of my Louboutins. But still, so many of you ask me, do you have just this one black pair of Louboutins? No, I don't, but they just fit to everything. But if I just have something silver in my outfit, then I just love to wear these ones. And from the back side, you can see also the red bottom very nicely, and then this silver one. But well, while the black ones are very classy to wear, the silver ones are very, well, you can't ignore them. If you wear them to a party, they fit perfectly, but for every day, it might be a little bit too much. So, but let me show you how they look with this style. So in my opinion, some silver high heels are just perfect if you have a simple black dress and you want to add a little bit more sparkle and something special, then these kind of high heels are just the perfect match. So many of you who also have some So Kates ask me what I did because they don't feel very comfortable in wearing them. So what I do is, well, or suggest you to do is train to wear them. So not just go out and wear them for the first time, you should wear them at home. So your feet and the shoes, they just need some time to match each other. That sounds strange, but if your feet gets a little bit warmer, it's real leather and the shoe gets more and more comfortable if you just wear them. And you shouldn't do that on a party. So I would never wear my fresh and new bought Louboutins to a big event where I can't change my shoes or anything like that, because your feet will hurt that much. You are maybe not comfortable and trained to the high of the high heel and also not to the form, because it's a little bit stiff when you get them, but they get more and more softer when you wear them a lot. So right now for a long red carpet event I would wear my black ones because I just had them on very often and they are the most comfortable ones, and the other ones still have some red sole like this one, so I didn't wear them outside right now, so that's why they still look very beautiful and fresh and new. And for me, it's always, when I get new ones, I start also very slowly and I try to just have them a little bit warm already when I wear them the first time. So what I mean by warming them up a little bit is maybe take your hair dryer just a little bit, or put them in the sunlight so they get a little bit more warm on your heater, and it's more comfortable to wear some a little bit softer, warmer high heels. I wear them most often when I'm in the kitchen or when I just iron something, because you have to stand a lot and move a little bit, and that's perfect if you have new high heels. So, and I'm not the most colorful person, but I was always looking for some red Louboutins. But the classy styles, the typical red, I wasn't that much attracted to. If the sole, the red sole, is the same like the shoe color, it's not that much difference. So, but then I saw this color, and it was just the color I imagined, not the red, a little bit more softer red, and then the red button to it. It just looks perfect in my eyes, and it's not that easy and simple. You can still see that these are Louboutins and not just some red high heels, and that's what makes it special to me also. So these are my special high heels I would wear when there's something really special to celebrate, and also if the outfit is really just a little bit more boring, then you can also add, instead of the silver ones, these kind of red ones. So I will show you how they look instead of the silver ones. And I think all three kinds match perfectly to some tan ties, but also to black ties. And as you can see, it looks totally different with the red high heels. So it also gives something special, but something different than the silver ones. A little bit more color. So, and I just love to have these kind of red details on my looks. My looks are more like the black, red and gray looks, and then I add some classy colors like red on the fingernails, on the lips, and also on the red bottoms of my high heels. So that's kind of my style, but for sure your style can be totally different. But the So Kates are really my favorite with my style. So some more tips for you, just what I experienced, because some styles are different if you order them in the US or in Europe. That's what I found out. For example, I'm looking right now for some really high platform high heels, and you can't get that a lot in Europe. So maybe I have to order them in the US again. Or some styles are discontinued and you will just don't find them in Europe, but still in the US. So that's when I think about ordering not in Europe. So the So Kates are the ones that I have most styles of, so I guess I can call it my favorite style because they always fit and look classy. Some of you also asked me about the hot chicks, and I have to tell you that that is a little bit too high for me. It's like 13 centimeters, and I've never seen a woman looking comfortable in wearing the hot chicks. So for me, it doesn't look very nice. So that's why I love to select and stay with the So Kates. So my favorite high heel size is 10 centimeter or 12 centimeter. And if it gets higher, I just love to add some platform. So it's still very comfortable for me to wear and look elegant and comfortable and not strange. So right now, I think that's it. I think I answered a lot of questions that you always have, and if there's something else, let me know in the comments below. I think I told you everything that comes in my mind, and I'm so in love with these Louboutins, and well, it's just my brand. I don't know, but still I'm open for many other brands also. So I hope you liked my tips and my recommendations and my experience that I just told you, and let me know in the comments below also which is your favorite style, like the black ones, silver ones or red ones with this black outfit. So let me know. Thank you for your thumbs up, for your subscription, and you will see many outfits also on this YouTube channel with these 3 kinds of Louboutins, but I still have many more. I guess you saw that. So take care and see you in the next video.